Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel and to the history of the web. I don't know who of you out there might have over the years used this, but we have ask.com that is shutting down. So, ask.com officially closed down on May 1st. And it used to, at the beginning, it started in 1996. So it's 30 years. And in the beginning, it was Asked Jeeves. If you remember, it was Ask Jeeves. And the difference between that and Yahoo, for example, was more like it wanted you to ask questions. And I actually did ask one question as I was starting my tech business back in the day. One of the things that I got often was, well, you're too expensive. And people that own a business understand why, unfortunately, we have to charge a certain price for our services because there's a lot of overhead and there's a lot of things that you have to pay. But people that don't own or never owned a business don't understand. And so my question, I still remember my question that I asked was how to justify my fees to a client. And it actually helped me because the first answer that popped up was you don't have to justify why you charge the price you charge. It's the price, and that's it. Take it or leave it. And I was like, okay, that's the way I'm going to be, and that's the way I went through my tech business. And it wasn't too bad because I had tons and tons of clients back in the day. I just got kind of overwhelmed and bored with, fixing computers at some point. Plus, this came through YouTube and shifted my focus onto where I want to be. So, if you've been using the internet for a long time, my question to all of you, have you ever used ask.com? And did it help you in any way? Of course, it started to fade out in a very simple way. Like every other, I remember a time when Yahoo was the go-to search engine. Everybody was on Yahoo. And Google killed all of that because it focused better on things and it was fast and it had this way of doing search that everybody just went there. So, goodbye, ask.com. Goodbye, Ask Jeeves. Thanks for helping me in my early days of tech jobs in the late 90s. And, it's a piece of history, a piece of history of the internet that's going after 30 years. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.